the pimento cheese, you start with 3 ounces, the small brick of cream cheese. Then you're gonna add some sharp cheddar. I like this one that's made by a little company called Yancey's Fancy. It's a buffalo cheddar, so it's got hot peppers in it. Really, but you're gonna add hot sauce anyway, so you can just use a straight up sharp cheddar. Of course, the star ingredient is pimentos, 1 4-ounce jar drained really well. A little or a lot of hot sauce. My daddy's from Louisiana, my mom is Sicilian. I can take hot sauce, so I put in a lot of hot sauce. A little bit of garlic, because I put it in pretty much everything. It's always coming out of my pores. I smell like garlic. Just is what it is. And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Whiz this up. Baby girl, woo-woo, will you put that down for me? And can I have a slatherer? Oh, there's one right there, honey. Hand me that spoonula. Take your hot corn, your pimento cheese. Oh, yeah, that's a love baby right there. Look at that. Oh, my God. I know, it's distracting, right? You will be so shocked if you make any of these for your friends and family. You'll be so shocked at how quiet it is at your dinner table. It's freaky. And you'll also get the giggles, because when you're done, everybody's face is literally a hot mess, just stuff everywhere.